Hello students, good morning. As we have already started a topic relations and functions, in this topic we have already learnt what is the meaning of the relation in the form of introduction. Then we have learned there how many types of relations are there. Then we have done the applications of relations in the form of the statement sums. In our previous session, we have done what is function and what are the main types of functions there. From the types of function, one are the very important type, that is the real functions. Today we will discuss what is real functions and some standard real functions and how we can find out the real function as one and onto functions. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of the real function? Real function. Let function A to set B. Function set A to set B is a function in which B is a subset. B is a subset of real number. Then F is called a real valued function. B is the subset of the real number, so that it is called the real valued function. If both A and B are subsets of the real number, then F is called a real function. Now, some standard real functions are, first is the constant function. Fx is equal to k, where x belongs to R. Then identity function. Fx is equal to x. X belongs to R. Square function, as per the name square. Fx is equal to x square. Function is in the square form. And x belongs to again the real number. Then square root function. Square root function, fx is equal to under root x, but in this case x belongs to 0 for the close interval till infinity for the open interval. We will not take the negative values here because square root negative number is not a real number here. Reciprocal function. Reciprocal function, fx is equal to 1 by x there. In this also, x belongs to real number, but except 0, because 1 upon 0 is the infinity form. Modulus function, we will take negative values of x, then it will also give the positive result. So fx is equal to modulus of x is also a real function in which x belongs to R. Two most important functions, that is the greatest integer and the smallest integer functions. This is also called the floor function. This is also called the ceiling function according to their symbol. Now here turn is on the floor, na? That's why it is called the floor function. Turn is on the ceiling, that's why it's also called the ceiling function. Its another name is the jib function also, because it's like a jib shape. Now x belongs to R there. Or greatest integer less than or equal to x. This value is known as the greatest integer, but in this we will take the value of x less than or equal to x there. Same case, it is the smallest integer, so we will take the value greater than or equal to x. Greater than or equal to x. Now we will take one or two examples how we can solve the real functions for one and onto functions. First of all, classify one onto or bijection. We know the conditions of the bijection. Bijection, if the function is one also, onto also, then that function is the bijection function also. Now first of all, I am taking a very simple example. Fx is equal to 2x. Now for the real functions, we will solve it as a natural number, as a real number, and for the integers also. Now function n to n, natural number to natural number. For the 1 1 functions, let us suppose that let x1 and x2 any two element which belongs to the natural number. Same pattern we will solve for the each and every questions. Fx1 is equal to fx2 also. Means if x1 and x2 belongs to the natural number, then its function is also belongs to the natural number. Which implies, what is the function here? 2x here. Function is 2x here. Now fx1, x2 is there. So it will be equal to 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Now that means which also equal to x1 is equal to x2. So x1 and x2 both are the natural number. So f is the 1 1 function. Then on to let y belongs to n. Now we have taken another number, that is the y belongs to n. Now fx is equal to, because fx is belongs to the natural number, that's why in this case fx is equal to y, which approaches x, 2x is equal to y. Here we will find out the value of x in the term of y. So x will be equal to y upon 2. Now we will find that this number is onto or not. If we put the value of y here, y is equal to 1. So 1 to belongs to natural number, but related to 1 value, what is the value of x there? It will be equal to 1 by 2. This value will be equal to 1 by 2, which is not belongs to the natural number. So it's not onto. Not onto, so not bijection there. Now for the another case, when function is belongs to the real number. 1 1 function. Again let x1 and x2 approaches to the belongs to the real number. Then fx1 is equal to fx2. Same 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Then x1 is also equal to x2. So f is 1 1 function here. Now for the onto, we will let that y belongs to the real number. So fx is equal to y because function is y here. So 2x is equal to y. So x is equal to y upon 2. Same we will put the values of any real number. If y is equal to 1, so x value is equal to 1 by 2. Both value belongs to the real number. It is onto. If it is 1 1 also, it is onto also. So function is the bijection function. Same case for the integers. 1 1, let x1 and x2 both elements belongs to the integers, so that their function is also belongs to the integer. fx1 is equal to fx2. So 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Therefore x1 is equal to x2. So f is 1 1. Function is 1 1 function there. For onto, let y belongs to the integers z, then fx is equal to y. And what is the value of fx here? 2x, put the value 2x, 2x is equal to y. So x is equal to y upon 2. If we put the value of any integers in the form of y is equal to 1. I am taking y is equal to 1. So which belongs to integer? So x is equal to 1 by 2, which is not belongs to integers. So this function is bijection for real number only, for integer and for natural number. This function is not bijection function, because not onto, so not bijection functions. I am taking one more example in which the function is x square plus 1. Now, if I am taking the function for natural number there, so fx is equal to x square plus 1 function is given, and a function is natural number to natural number. 1 1. Same position, same condition, same pattern. Let x1 and x2 belongs to n, natural number. Therefore fx1, fx2 is there. तो x1 square plus 1 is equal to x2 square plus 1. Value is always equal to the positive value. So x1 is equal to x2 there. So f is 1 1 function here, because if we take x1 square is equal to x2 square, so it will be equal to x1 is equal to plus minus x2 there, but negative sign we will not take as the case of the natural number. Now, so f is 1 1 function here. Let y belongs to n there. For on to fx is equal to y, so x square plus 1 is equal to y there. X is equal to under root y minus 1. Again we will take any example of y there. Let's take example 1 there. So 1 minus 1, if I take y is equal to 1, which belongs to the natural number. So x is equal to under root 0. So 0 is not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number. So it is not onto. If it is not onto, so it is not bijection answer. Same case for the real number. When function is for the real number, r approaches to r and fx is equal to x square plus 1. Now, for 1 1 function, let x1 and x2 both belongs to the real number. So fx1 is equal to fx2, x1 square plus 1 plus is equal to x2 square plus 1. Both are equal, x1 square is equal to x2 square. Now, but if we take a value f x1 is equal to 1, so x1 square is equal to x2 square, function 1 ka square is equal to function 1 square is equal there. But if I am taking the value minus 1 also, if I am taking value minus 1 also, what will be the result here? Minus 1 means minus 1 square, 1, 1 is equal to 1. That means f1 value and f minus 1 value both are giving the same result. f1 square and f minus 1 square both are giving the same result. It means f1, 1 and minus 1 are having the one image here. So is it 1 1? No, it is not 1 1. So 1 is not equal to minus 1. If I am taking value 1, because 1 and minus 1 both square is equal to 1. But 1 and minus 1 are not equal value. That are the two different value. But their image is 1 there. Single image. That's why f is not 1 1 function here. Now for the onto function, we will take y belongs to r. So fx is equal to y. X square plus 1 is equal to y. So x is equal to plus minus under root y minus 1 there. Now if I am taking value y is equal to 0. So 0 belongs to the real number. But 0 minus 1 is equal to under root minus 1. So negative under root is not a real number. So which is not belongs to the real number. That means it is not onto. If it is not onto, so it is not bijection. Now it's the turn for the integers. If I am taking value, f is approaches to the z function, approaches to z, fx is equal to x square plus 1, 1 1 function. Let x1 x2 belongs to z. So fx1 is equal to fx2. x1 square plus 1 is equal to x2 square plus 1. Same case, x1 square is equal to x2 square. But again, f1 and f minus 1 both are having the same result for the square value. That's why 1 is not equal to minus 1. So f is not 1 1 there. Now we will take the value for the onto. Let y belongs to z. fx is equal to y. So x square plus 1 is equal to y. So x is equal to plus minus under root y minus 1. Then let y is equal to 0, which belongs to integers, and x is equal to under root minus 1, which not belongs to the integers. Same, it is not the onto function. 1 1 is not 1 1, not onto. Therefore, this function is not bijection functions. This is the value when we are having some functions which we have to prove that for 1 1, onto and bijection functions. Now I am taking a simple example. Show that function n to r0. R0 means non-zero real number. R0 means non-zero real number. Defined as fx is equal to 1 upon x is not bijection. So solution fn to the r0 where fx is equal to 1 upon x. Let x1 and x2 belongs to the natural number. Then fx1 is equal to fx2. We will put the value in a function. 1 upon x1 is equal to 1 upon x2. Both are having the independent value there. Same case, x1 is equal to x2. So f is a 1 1 function there. Now for the onto. Y belongs to r0 again. Then fx is equal to y. So 1 upon x is equal to y. X is equal to 1 upon y. Y is equal to 2, which belongs to r0, non-zero real number. But x is equal to 1 by 2 for this value is not belongs to the natural number. Therefore, f is not onto. Not onto means not bijection. Now students, I hope this concept is clear to you people. Now you are able to do some related to this concept. Do more and more practice.